Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your phone actually supports dual SIM and choosing which slot will be your primary line. Once done, backup contacts and note carrier APN settings so messages and data work. Power down the phone, use the SIM tool to open the tray, and carefully place the nano SIMs or eSIM profile as instructed. Make sure metal contacts face down and trays click flush. Then power the phone back on and watch for network signals to appear. You now configure each line so the phone uses them the way you want. Go to Settings, find SIM or Cellular Settings, and label each line, Work, Personal, Travel, so you can tell them apart fast. Once labeled, assign defaults. Choose which line makes calls, sends SMS, and uses mobile data. You can change these per contact too. Also set roaming and data saver rules, pick preferred network types like 4G or 5G, and confirm APN settings if messages or data fail to connect. You finish by learning daily behaviors that save time and avoid charges. When calling, pick the SIM per contact or switch in the dialer so work and personal stay separate. Keep an eye on per-line data consumption and switch data to the cheaper line when needed. If a line loses service, toggle airplane mode, restart, or reset network settings first. If that fails, power off, reinsert the SIM, and confirm carrier provisioning. If problems persist, contact the carrier for activation or APN troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.